A prayer for understanding. Teach me, Lord, Yahweh our God, the meaning of your law, and I will obey them at all times. And help us for cleaning and doing good with that machines, because I know our dad God bless the good hobbies we can get. Hi guys, this channel is sometimes in English, sometimes in Spanish, special English too. My first purpose of this is first understand and God is in my life in all the times, and if in your heart you, I, all of us, sometimes we have situations when we call our dad God to help in many ways. In many ways, He always answers us, and sometimes make promises to Him to change things is the quickly answer for Him. This is the key. Well, and the second intention is to help you with these sewing machines. I have many subscribed to my channel to see how fixes, how work, how embroider, how sew, different things in different sewing and embroidery machines. This time we had this Kenmore 19001. These ones is a series of Kenmore and Janoma had the embroider is this little one. Can I say this is for me, it's for beginners in embroider. But after you know how work, you can do amazing thing with them. There are people just let these machines deposit or stay for years in a unit. I couldn't resist to get this one. They say it's super cleaning, and if you see, I don't know you can see, but I tell you, this machine is really dirty. And I tried already and it's worked very well, but you can see there, you see all this dirty under too. In this, I already cleaning a little. This is totally dirty. It's totally dirty. And even with that, the machine is working perfectly fine. It's amazing. These Japanese, because they are made in Japan, working really good with these machines. And this is the service manual is made in 98, and we are in 2022. Do you imagine how many years? And I don't know how many years is these machines. It's beautiful embroidered machine after, or if you want, you can see some videos I made already with this one. But I want to make more videos, God will, for you to enjoy these machines. But for enjoy, first we're going to cleaning. Don't be scared about cleaning your machine. It's something like wash your car or your house. Cleaning is important thing. First of all, for start to cleaning, for example, I'm going to turn off on the machine. Turn on. Press this button to raise the needle bar. So, it's there. But say you was an embroider. If you was an embroider, that tell you checking this one need to be in two, well, many things. But the thing is, if you are an embroiderer, the feet doors are down. Now, with the little button over there, go to the right. It's under here. Okay, and the feet does go down. Say you are in that, and you finish your embroidery. Now, you finish your embroidery. When you finish, and all the machines, when it's both embroidery and sew, you always set the machine in sew. It's in sew now, but I need to raise again the feed dogs. You don't see nothing, and you say, "Oh, my machine is spoiled." No, it's because that need to get a little time. Put some fabric for put that feed dogs up, and sew a little. You see? They are up now. Use in that way. Now, when you have your feed dogs up, you can turn off your machine. Now we're going to start to cleaning because the feed dogs need to be up. Angelas, to make this easy, you know how I do in the other videos for cleaning my machine. You can do without this, but I like use my mini vacuum. It's make easy the work. So we're going to take the preserved food here. It's like put all your things in a place when you don't going to lose. Needle with this you know how to change the needle, I know, but I know guys you are really smart and all of this too, but take the needle and screw again for not going to lose that screw there. Take your bobbin, I push to the right, take your bobbin, now we're going to take the plate too. I need another. Well, there are, you need to find the one little, I think in the machine there are one. Yeah. It's a little top. Okay. Oh, you see all that? Oh my God, you need to see this. My God, oh my God, this is, they say, cleaning the machine. God, look in all of that. Guys, please. This process is with all the machines had the horizontal bobbin. You see, horizontal, that means go in the top. You can do with whatever kind of machine you have. Do this, please. Need to be cleaning sometimes. I don't know how this machine working, and I already test and work very well the soy, but it's amazing. All this part, this is like the plate, the needle plate, the back of the needle plate need to be cleaning too. Don't forget to clean in this part too. Wow. We're going to open in here and see what is going on. All this is super dirty, so cleaning. Use also a brush, whatever brush you had. I'm going to start to vacuum, and I come back with you after do this, okay? You see this one, the big dogs. Did you see the big dogs have a lot of dust there? And it's not going, well, you use something to go through them. Not too hard, the soft, and make that thing. Now, we're going to take the case of the bobbin case. All the machines are the same. You need to make sure the hook there. What is the hook? You can see. Let me see. You see how it's sharp there? You see how coming? You see how go? With your hand, right hand and your hand well, you're going to turn. You see? It's there. It's this one. And there are a lot of subscribers tell me about how do for put again the case. One, for put the case again, you just need to make sure when you're going to take off this hook, so sharp, need to be there in the center of the feed dogs. You do that by your hand in the hand well. So you put your hand in your hand well here and start to move forward. You see how go until get there. But there are two movements. Now the needle, because this is the needle bar, is down. You need to make sure the needle bar is up. Okay, needle bar up. Is there. Now going again second time for the hook is there. Now when you see it's in the center, you can take off this. Just like that. Just stay here and get out there. And this is the way, after you cleaning, how you put again. That is in all the machines horizontal bobbin, and they had like a little in here, and looking these two things, there are a little arrow there, tell you. You see the little arrow, and this one doesn't have color, but the arrow is there. The arrow go to this arrow here. It's not really the more clear. If you want, you can put like a sign with paint, a little boom, boom. Or you just know, you just stay like that. And again, go like that. This one, this is a little lash, need to be again this corner. This is don't let me the bobbin go. If you trying, excuse me, to put over here, it's not going to be inside. Need to be exactly like that, with this little notch against this one. It's like that. Easy. After you do the first time, you know how to bear. Why? Because here, look in the, my God, oh my God. Cleaning. Now, after you cleaning, if you want the vacuum too, doing with vacuum, and not doing with your brush alone, but you need to clean in that part. And now for cleaning this other part, it's because it's so dirty. Suppose we need to start in the top. When I see all this, I can resisting to start to clean. Doesn't matter. The thing is, cleaning your machine once in a while. No need to be every day. It's just one time in a year. No? Okay. For this one, you're going to, add this. There are a screw here. Trying to do this the best for you to see very well. So. The screw here, you need to take out this white thing. You can see because there are a little cover, so take something to take the lip and you see there are screw. The screw is in here. One, the other screw. You're checking. The other screw is in here. So you see that working. You find some working is like a star. Find the right one. Just checking what can be better. This is too big. That's it ready, and put this up. Checking the other one. The other one is here. You can open for see better. Is there? It's so easy like that. This one, don't worry. This one fall. Don't worry. After you put in the same way. That going in this, and it's not a problem, you know, it's just pull there, and after when you're going to put that, you just go like this, and it's there. Remember, this is in 3, well, you know, in 3, this little number, and this notch is 3 is with the arrow, because if that fall before that, you need to know where you set the machine, in 3, in 2, or in wherever it is. No, I know it's in 3. It's there. Add a little washer. Okay. And for that part is for cleaning that part. The same way, you know how I showed you before. We're going to this part, because it's covered, no have a lot of dust. You're going to put some oil in here. Really careful. I'm going to the hand well. Really careful, 1 drop of oil after cleaning. And the other drop of oil going in this corner. Here for the bar. Here. No more. pay attention not to put nothing liquid and all that system, just as in the two parts I showed you for now. So vacuum. This part needs to be cleaning too. So you need to have a good line to see this thing better. So I'm going to take this system here. I don't want that go with my vacuum. Get stuck on the dust. That. Incredible. Well, since the machine is so dirty, there are 33, 34 minutes in this. I'm going to make second part because this dessert. So you see how vacuum and be soft in this part, but please cleaning all this area to the back of the needle because it's a lot of dust can accumulate there for years. So cleaning all that one, all, and after cleaning, we're going to see how we do. Okay, bye guys. I see you in the second part to service your machine. God bless you and God be with you guys, and you can pray with me for the best of this world. Bye.